A clogged filter or collapsed duct can and often does cause blower motor problems by restricting airflow and forcing the motor to work harder than designed. When airflow is restricted, the blower motor draws more current and runs hotter, which shortens component life and can trigger thermal cutoff devices. Start by turning power off at the service panel and then remove and inspect the air filter. Replace disposable filters with new filters of the correct size and recommended MERV rating for your system. Check the return and supply grills for visible blockages like dust buildup, upholstery, or closed registers and clear them so air can move freely. Access the air handler closet or furnace. Remove the blower access panel and look for dust accumulation on the blower wheel, motor, and internal surfaces. Gently brush and vacuum debris and use a vacuum extension to reach crevices without bending fins. For ducts, perform a visual inspection through access points and registers. Look for crushed flexible duct, disconnected sections, or large nests, and remove obstructions or reattach ducts with foil tape and approved clamps. If the motor still overheats after cleaning and duct repairs, measure airflow or hire a technician to test static pressure and motor amperage to confirm whether the motor is damaged or operating outside the original specifications. The most common issue is a dirty or plugged filter, which is fixed by replacing the filter with the correct size and changing it on a regular schedule based on usage and indoor air quality. Another frequent problem is collapsed or kinked flexible ducting causing severe restriction, which you can solve by rerouting, replacing the damaged section, or installing a rigid transition where support prevents collapse. A third concern is disconnected or crushed metal duct seams that leak or restrict flow, and that usually requires sealing with UL-approved foil tape, replacing the failed section, or using an approved mechanical connector to restore proper airflow. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare real-world projects so they can address airflow and blower issues with confidence. We connect contractors with homeowners and host a discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips, repair experiences, and practical advice.